Okay, Michael, we gotta get work done on the car, and we gotta ask her. It's gonna be okay. We've earned it. We've been doing a lot around the house. We've been a big time help, which she won't say no. There's no way. Just practice, okay? Here we go. Hey, babe. You mind if I go work on the car for a little bit in the hangar? Just for a little while? Yeah, sure, there's no problem. See, it's gonna be fine. She's gonna say yes. There's no reason to say no. We can do this. Okay, after we're done editing this episode, then we're gonna ask her. We work hard, we should be able to play hard. Gotta get work done on this car. I mean, it won't be a big deal. You've earned it. Look at you. You're cooking dinner for your whole family. You've been helping out with the baby. What's a little garage time? She's not going to say no. Just ask her. You could do it. You deserve this. I deserve this. Oh, hey, babe. Do you mind if I go to the hangar tonight?
Absolutely not.
Hey, I'm Mike, and welcome back to the Hangar Hideout. Now, if you watched last episode, you know we finally got those stupid wire locks in, and it made me angry, so I had to quit. And now it's a fresh day. New haircut, new pants, and we're ready to go. The goal today is I just want to get the pistons in here. So we gotta get the rings on now that they're together. Then we just kind of bolt it up together. Why don't you join me for this journey? So when putting on piston rings, we're gonna start with the squiggly one, and at the ends, I like to make sure they point down. So let's put this one on first. This one goes on the bottom. Just kind of spin it on around. And then we take the two thin black ones. One goes under it and one goes above. Make sure this little gap, we have them in different directions. That one goes on like so. Let's turn her a little bit more. And then this one's gonna go on. There you go, you're a third of the way there. What cylinder number is this? This is cylinder 4. So we got the next two. All I know is that the shiny one goes on top. Also make sure these are directional. So look for one that says top. And I found it. Just kind of wrap it around there. You don't want to really stretch it out. Make sure we find top on this one. Remember, shiny one's on top, at least for me. Might not be for you. There you go. One down, 7 more to go. I saved you the time lapse, but all the piston rings are on. Next, let's go ahead and slide that cam in there. I cannot promise that it won't be a little sexual. Lube it up, lube it up. Way up.
Nick is strawberry flavor too.
What's that one? Blue raspberry?
All right, this is where you install the porno noises.
Did your brother just moan when we put the cam in?
Oh, doggy, do we need to cool down after that one. So after you got the cam in, we put on the cam gear as well as the timing chain. Timing chain is a LS2 Rollmaster, and it's just 3 bolts, super easy. Now, I was just a helping hand here, because when you're working with a professional, like Mike Recchia, That's all you do is provide a hand.
With the piston rings on and the cam in, it's time to put in the pistons. Did I mention how great it is to have a helping hand? One that actually knows what he's doing? Because I don't know what I'm doing. Okay, I may have lied. We still have to put the bearings on the piston. Torque down. I quadruple checked. Woof. Well, once again, that is all we got in us today. We got a lot done. The pistons are in. The bottom end is almost complete. We just need to put the oil pan on, the front and the back, and then we're done. So just stick around for 1 or 2 hours, I don't know, episodes. It depends how much free time I get. This stuff is hard to do when you only have a couple minutes every day. Definitely couldn't have done this alone, so a big shout out to Mike Recchia, the Recchia Racing. Well, I want to thank you guys for getting this far in the episode. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means a lot. Helps the channel, and it helps me build cool things like this. So just do it for me. I'd appreciate it. I again want to thank you guys for making it this far, and as always, thanks for hiding out. We're just single taking it all day today. You mind if I go to the hangar tonight? Yeah. Ah! Man!